Are new launch or resale properties a safer option? Given that the current prices for both new launch and resale property prices are at an all-time high, what would be a safer option for you to choose as a home buyer today? Hello everyone, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. The disparity between the average prices of new and resale homes has widened to 58.5%. With this current price gap, chances are you as a home buyer would choose to focus to look on resale properties. However, in this video, I'm going to show you a new opportunity with case studies that have arisen due to the current market conditions. So back in 2019, when Midwood, which is located at Hillhaven, just launched, it was selling at an average of 1,643 PSF, while the nearby resale condominium, the Hillier, which is also in the same area, was transacting at an average of 1,343 per square foot. The difference between the resale and the brand new was actually 22.34%. Another case study of Dairy Farm Residence, which is located along Dairy Farm Road, which is also launched in 2019, was selling at an average of 1,563 PSF, whereas its resale neighbour, Eco Century, was transacting at an average of 1,274 PSF, and the price gap is actually at 22.68%. So based on the two case studies above, we can see that this is a common trend for brand new projects to have a premium of about 20 to 30%. However, today, in certain areas, you will definitely find that there are little to no price differences between new and resale properties, and this is where opportunities are actually present. Before I share with you more, I would like to ask that you like and subscribe to my channel so that my content will reach more people like yourself. Now let's go back to Midwood, which is a newly TOP resale condo, and it's currently seeing transactions similar to that of a brand new project nearby. At this point of filming, Midwood has recently transacted at an average of 2,026 PSF, and in fact this price is very close to Hillhaven, which is about to launch with prices from 1,950 PSF. It is normal for resale owners wanting to capitalize on this opportunity to maximize their profits, especially when their replacement cost for their next property would definitely be significantly higher. This, however, is not the same for developers, especially in the upcoming years. Here is the pipeline supply of brand new residential units as of the first quarter of 2023, with 43 launches and over 44,000 units on hand to offload before TOP over the next few years. This would also mean that developers will definitely price their units sensitively so that they will be able to sell out all their units within 5 years to get their ABSD remission. This benefit is passed on to you as an intending buyer today as you enter the market at one of the lowest entry prices. Similar to most buyers in this development, the safest option at this point, if we are to compare between other options of buying Midwood at almost 2,000 PSF. It is important to weigh out our risks when you consider entering at the peak of resale prices, because the price performance tends to be dependent on the initial owners and the market sentiments. For initial owners of Midwood who have purchased their unit at around 1,600 PSF, if we base this on a 1,000 square foot unit, today they enjoy a profit margin of approximately $400,000. So if the market is not doing as well, these owners who entered the market at the initial prices would definitely still be okay with a lower profit margin. However, this will be a concern for you if you buy into Midwood today. And why is this so? If we were to compare a 3-bedroom layout, for example, with a brand new project, Hillhaven, which is located almost next to each other, we can see that there are no significant difference between the floor plans of Midwood and Hillhaven. When Hillhaven achieves its TOP status, it would definitely be natural that resale buyers would definitely want to compare between these two projects. However, if there are no significant difference between the layouts of these two condominiums, buyers would naturally be more inclined to choose a newer condominium, like Hillhaven over Midwood. As prices are highly influenced by supply and demand, with lesser demand driven towards the older condominiums, this can affect Midwood's future selling price. I'm sure that all of us, if given a choice, we would genuinely like to avoid a situation where we are stuck with a property and find it challenging to move on, especially when we enter at a peak today. There are still other new launch opportunities that are also behaving the same manner, just like Hillhaven. Reach out to me if you are a buyer today looking for the safest option in today's market, and I will be happy to share with you via my contact number below. However, this is not a one-size-fits-all solution for everybody, and there are many instances where I still encourage my buyers to look for a resale property. I will see you in my next video.